Subscribe our channel, like and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to AppSec's online support system daily video lesson. My name is Anila Nahid and I am from Senior Girls Wing Fort Road. This presentation is for class 8 which will help you to solve assignments of week number 4 and the topic of presentation is factorization using special identities. The objective of this video is that you will be able to factorize the algebraic expressions by using special identities, while the success criteria is to identify and to solve the problems related to the application of these identities. But before going to the discussion of today's topic, let us first recall the lecture of week number 3. In the previous lecture, we have learned that how to expand an expression using following identities, that is, number 1, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Number 2, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two identities are known as perfect squares, while the third one, which is a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, this identity is known as the difference of squares. Students, we have also solved different problems related to these expansions. Now, I will solve worked example 12 in which we have given a problem that if x plus y whole square equals to 361 and xy equals to minus 120, find the value of x square plus y square. If you observe carefully, then we have been given value of x plus y square and xy, while we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Now, in order to solve the question, let us first start from x plus y whole square equals to 361 and expanding the identity on the left hand side as x square plus 2xy plus y square. As xy is given, that is minus 120, so put the value of xy and multiply it with 2. 2 into minus 120 will give you minus 240. Take it to the right side, which will add up to 361 and you will get x square plus y square equals to 601. The questions related to the worked example 12 are 5, 6, 11 and 12 of exercise. Now, let's come to the topic of this presentation, which is factorization using special identities. First, we have to understand what factorization means. A word factorization means a process of making factors which when multiplied together give you the desired quantities. Students, you should keep it in your mind that factorization is a reverse of expansion. But here comes a question. If factorization is a reverse of expansion, then can we reverse the identities too? The answer is yes, we can reverse the identities as a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. The point to remember is you can only factorize an expression if it is in one of the form on left hand side of the equation. Now I will solve worked example 13 on page number 125, which is factorize 9x square plus 24x plus 16. Now, first express the problem in the form of perfect squares and then apply the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. The perfect square of 9x square is 3x. The perfect square of 16 is 4, and while 2ab term express 24x. 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4 plus 4 square equals to 3x plus 4 whole square, where a equals to 3x and b equals to 4. The related questions to worked example 13 are 1, 5 and 9 of exercise. To clear the concept, let's move on to worked example 14 on page number 126, which is factorize 49 minus 84x plus 36x square. In this case, you can solve it directly without arranging the expression. So first express in the form of perfect square and then apply identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. The perfect square of 49 is 7. The perfect square of 36x square is 6x, while 2ab term is 84x. So we can factorize it as 7 minus 6x whole square. Here a equals to 7 and b equals to 6x. Further clarify any ambiguity, let us consider a complex case, which is 16 by 49 d square plus 8 by 35 df plus 1 by 25 f square. You just don't need to be panic. Consider them as a whole term Express as a perfect square and apply formula. The perfect square of 16 by 49 d square is 4 by 7 d whole square. The perfect square of 1 by 25 f square is 1 by 5 f whole square, and 2ab term is 8 by 35 df. This expression will be factorized in either of the two ways as 4 by 7d plus 1 by 5f whole square, or if we multiply the numerators we will get 4d by 7 plus f by 5 whole square. Now student, you just note down your assignment questions on textbook page number 124, page number 126 and page number 127. I hope this video lecture will assist you in solving your assignment questions. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Allah.